Welcome to USA Finance Digital, where we make finance fun and easy for everyone.
Jake had just turned 18 and received his very first paycheck. Wow! $300! I'm finally making money!
Like many young adults, Jake felt rich for the first time. Like many young a first time, I deserve this. I'll save money later.
Scene 3, 1 week later.
Wait, where did all my money go?
Small purchases added up faster than he expected.
Grandpa, I make money, but I never seem to keep it.
That's the mistake most young adults make. Grandpa showed Jake a simple rule. Every dollar needs a job.
What do you mean?
Before you spend anything, divide your money.
70% for spending, 20% for saving, 10% for investing. Saving became automatic instead of an afterthought. I did it! My first $1,000!
That's how wealth begins, one smart decision at a time.
Most young adults stay broke because they spend first later. But successful people save first and spend what's left. What's the first thing you do with your first $1,000? Let us know in the comments.